Today I wanted to share with you a completed patio that we built and put in a border all the way around the patio. Love the just the way the patio goes with the house, the character of the stone. But we put a border in it, and we spent a lot of time compacting around the edges because that's where failures would most likely occur. And so by compacting the edges, spending a lot of time on compacting it, it creates a good solid foundation for the edges. And we finished a maintenance-free stairway along with the handrail, and I thought that the handrail also fit the character of the house really well. And overall, very happy with the way the whole project turned out. And Nick and Becky have promised to make good use of it. Okay, thank you.